My name is Warren Stanley. I'm a crew leader here at Harris. I've been here for 30 years. I grew up in this company. Pay attention of what's going on around you, and there's a special feel that you have to have. So if you touch something, you have to back off. You can't just put any and anybody on there. That's a hard question. I think we're tight. No. I started out as a laborer and I worked my way up. I used to drive the backhoe from the shop to the job site, and I started messing around, and then Lyndon started showing me a few moves and I took it from there. Because it's a skill I always wanted to have. It's something that I really wanted to do. I saw people doing it and I think it was cool, and it's less stress on me also. Longevity is very good for me. To me, it's a fun job. It's something new every day that you experience. I don't like be sitting around and doing the same thing all the time. It's something different every day. You meet different people, so that's what really keeps me going. It's a family-oriented business. It's the camaraderie of the workers and the bosses. They treat you as one of their own. This is the second company I've worked with. So I don't know what's going on with those other companies, but from what I hear, they don't treat you too well. Some of them don't even speak to their workers. But here, it's a family-oriented business. So we are all one big happy family here. I think it's the reputation, the quality of work, the way they treat the workers and the customers. Everything is top-notch, top of the line. My man Rambo, he's always coming up with some kind of, joke. Hola Linda, it's me baby. I like it like that for real. You gotta respect me, If you're looking to join a company, choose Harris, because in Harris, you will have a stable work environment. You will have longevity here if you dedicate yourself. There's no other place like Harris. They treat you with respect, like family, and there's always work going on. You never have to be laid off or anything like that. Most companies, you go to work for 6 months and then you're gone. But at Harris, you're here forever, as long as you want. The night job, I was working with Jackman. He was in a hole and the dirt caved in and hit him on the shoulder. And he was like, Stanley, am I dead? So that's something I will never forget as long as I live. The way he asks if he's dead, and he's talking to me and asking me if he's dead. So that's something I will never forget. One thing they shouldn't have been replacing a sewer in their house is expect the unexpected. Anything could happen. You don't know when it's gonna fit. You don't know what we're gonna run into. You might finish in 1 day. You might finish in 2-3 days. Every job is different, so expect the unexpected, but just hope for the best. Yeah, they do. They're very surprised when we come and tell them we need all this space, what they have to do, what we have to do in order to prepare, and the amount of dirt and excavation that has to be done. In order for a new hire to become a good plumber, they have to watch and learn. You have to be dedicated and you have to want it. Don't just come in and, I'm going to dig a hole and I'm going to go and sit down. You got to watch, see what your supervisor is doing. Inhale everything, observe that and learn everything. The craziest job I've ever been on is that job on Mott Avenue. It was about 25 feet deep and it was water all over the place. The basement full with water, every day's water, mud and slush in the hole. That was the craziest one. Working day and night. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Remember, Harris is here for you.